Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to plan a route in the TfL Go application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Where to button at the bottom of the page. And then set the destination location. And then click on the Get Directions button. And then set your current location as well. And then you can set when you want to leave. So just set the date. And yeah, so that's it. And here are the options. So the fastest option, there's also a step-free option, and you can see only buses and cycles. So just click on the one that you want to use, and then here you will find all the information on it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.